Obviously, the star of the Audi lineup in Geneva is the e-tron, but there is one car that is far more important for Audi at this moment.
Jenny here for CarTell.tv, and we're over at the brand new Audi A6, one of the best-selling Audis in history, and also a real rival against competitors Mercedes E-Class and the BMW 5 Series.
This is it. The design is obviously more angular than that of the E-Class, for example. However, it fits right in there with the rest of the Audi lineup. Creases on the hood, sharp headlights, simple but brave grille, massive air intakes. The new Audi A6 presents itself as a very confident machine.
The statement is one of understated excellence, and that's a flattering quality.
And with such a history, those qualities are expected. The new one brings loads of tech to the table, including some familiar features from the more upmarket A8.
The most notable being the semi-autonomous self-driving tech, which allows the A6 to perform loads of driving functions, such as steering, changing lanes, braking, and even accelerating.
Following the A8 once again, as well as the E-Class, the new A6 now has a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster with two more screens, 8.6-inch each. Audi has hinted that electric power will play a big role in the new lineup, starting with a few mild hybrids, then adding a plug-in one.
However, they haven't forgotten the sporty heritage of this luxury car. The RS6 is also in the pipeline, and we're looking forward to it. Thanks for watching CarTell.tv, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also hit that little notification button so you get alerted every time we put something new up.